for today is Viber, a very timely release because now my second pack is also available. So yeah, lots of preparation really for you guys to enjoy this special. I'm so excited to be back on TV for my second quarter time. At ang napakaganda ulitin kay Ligon. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Zari! Warriors using 5 years. Now this is no show of girl love thanks to Warriors. City Warriors, sumunod sa ating dance. Vision Boy, nagkakalagang effort na sinimula mo yung Kuya Tangs, kay Mami Dora, at nagkakalagang effort sa ating mga artists. Kila Wilbert, Pilipina, at nagkakalagang mahal sa namin, or nagkakalagang suffer. As something that music is always present. Without their efforts, hindi nagkakalagang City Warriors in 5 years. Sabi ko, ever since, lahat ng kayo mas mataas na kayo. Maraming salamat. After PBB, Idol Singer Global, na hindi ko expect that you guys also know good love. So Idol Singer Global, you guys have been so fun, so cool din. Maraming